Want to learn how to build a beautiful website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for free? Here's your chance. I'm offering free front-end web development training to the first 100 subscribers to my YouTube channel. No prior experience needed, beginners friendly lessons, practical hands-on tutorials. Learn skills you can use to earn online. How to qualify? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, be among the first 100 subscribers, get access to the free front-end web development lesson. Limited slot available. First come, first serve. Click on the link. Subscribe now and start your journey in web development today.